Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are looking at question jump game. This is a medium level question and it is question for the day 25th on Leetcode challenge. Okay, let's look at the description. So you are given a non-negative integer array. You are positioned at the 0th index and each element in the array represents the maximum jump length at that position. Determine if you can reach the last index. So here if you see the example, okay, 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. Okay, so if you start from a index 0, you can maximum reach up to 2 index. Okay, now suppose you jump to 1. Okay, from here you can only reach one another index. Suppose you had jumped on 3, then you could have reached 3 more spaces. Okay, so if you see that we were able to reach the last position, and hence this example turns out to be true. So it doesn't seem like we need to give out the minimum jumps required or anything like this. We just need to make sure we are able to reach the last index. So my idea is to have a reach pointer or a reach variable, which basically represents maximum index we can reach as of now. So this is a running reach, and we'll update this reach based on what node we are and how much we can jump. So currently we initialize a maximum reach to say 0. Now we say we can jump 2 spaces from 0th index. So what we need to do is basically we will update our reach to current reach, max of current reach, and the current index plus nums of current index, right? So this becomes x is 0, then reach becomes max of 0 and 0 plus 2. So now our max is here, right? And any index between current index I and x is reachable. That is invariant. That we cannot that we don't need to take care of, right? So we, if x is a maximum reach, then it ensures that we can reach all the nodes before x, right? So now we process 3. Okay, so its index is 1 and we can reach 3 spaces, so we can basically reach 1 plus 3 equals to 4, right? So our max reach now becomes 4, and anytime if our max reach becomes greater than equal to the last node, we can safely return true, that we can jump. Okay, so let's just loop over the numbers and update this. Okay, now it can be happen that while processing this loop, our I actually is greater than x. This can happen when, suppose these are zeros, okay, and this is 1, right? So our maximum reach was 1 here, but then we process this node and then we came here, right? So we cannot ever reach I, because we cannot ever reach beyond our maximum reach, right? So if I were to be greater than reach, then we cannot do anything, we cannot move further. Okay, and this becomes our reach. And if reach is greater than equals to n minus 1, which is the last node, return true. Okay, if everything goes well, then return true. Okay, let's run this code. N is actually length of nums. Okay, let's try to submit this code. Okay, cool. There are more iterations for jump game, actually jump game 2 and jump game 3. So we'll post video solutions for that also. Let us know in comments what do you like to be discussed on Leetcode problems, and share a video, subscribe to our channel. Please do, it supports our channel very much, and share the video if you like it. Thank you so much.